Do you remember the time before time? First, the nothingness cried out. Then the great phoenix answered. From that flame came our world of many blessings. Of the first among them was you. Light. The earth loved you and bloomed in your gaze. You were happy there, among the flowers, and so you stayed. But you stayed too long. The earth felt your heat like a fever, and soon you were alone again. Alone until the shadows came. Alone until darkness found you at last. But you did not think her a friend, and so you fled toward the setting sun, from the shadows to the glorious ancient sea. There too, life was drawn to your light. There too, you wished to stay. But the sea could not be your partner any more than could the earth. The coral cried out for respite. And again, the shadows came. And again, you fled. This time seeking solace in the sky. You thought that you, like the sun, could make your home in the heavens. But it was not to be. Here your light burned so bright that even stone turned to smoke. With the clouds came the darkness. With nowhere else to go, you entered the realm of fire. The flames consumed your fear, your loneliness, and all you thought you required. For who could stand by light unending? Only darkness. In the time before time, the great phoenix gave light and darkness to the world and to one another. We are each whole without the other, but together we are more. Together we are all more. More powerful, more beautiful.